So we will be revising today the Excel worksheet, Excel chapter, and I will be asking you the questions one by one, and you will be raising the hands and note down the questions side by side on your rough notebooks also. Clear? So that you can practice these questions side by side. First question is, name the software used to create and format spreadsheet. Name the software used to create and format spreadsheet. Which software will you use when you want to create a spreadsheet and when you want to format a spreadsheet? Format means making changes in the spreadsheet. So which software will you use? Yes, Arman? Yes, the answer is Microsoft Excel. Clear? Whenever you want to create and format the spreadsheet, you will make the use of the Microsoft Excel software. Clear? My second question to you is, what are the steps to start Excel? When you want to start Excel, what steps are you going to follow? Okay, Ananya, unmute yourself. What
Yes,
steps
ma'am.
are you going to follow when you want to start Excel?
Start button,
Yes,
all programs,
right.
Microsoft Office,
Microsoft Office.
MS Excel,
Right.
2013, 2010.
So here उन्होंने कोई आपसे स्पेसिफिक वर्जन नहीं पूछा एक्सेल का. They are not asking you the specific version, so you can write in general also. So the answer is, click on start button, click on all programs, click on start button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Excel. Clear, Raj Aryan? Are you noting it down? Here they are not asking you the specific version. उन्होंने version नहीं पूछा, so you can skip the version. You can write it in general also. Click on Microsoft Excel. Clear? My third question is, write different components or parts of Excel window. What are the different components or the parts of the Excel window? All right. Yes, Harman. Done? Now, Harman has told me 2CC, BCC. Have you heard the question? My question is, components or parts of Excel window that are the parts of the new message window. बेटा हम कौन सा चैप्टर कर रहे हैं हरमन? वी आर रिवाइजिंग द एक्सेल चैप्टर. यहाँ पे ईमेल वाला कहाँ से आ गया? एक्सेल विंडो. एनीवन? यस दृष्टि. एक्सेल की विंडो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल.
Title bar, workbook, worksheet, row and column headings, sheet tab, status bar, cells and cell address, name, box and formula bar.
Very good. Getting confused in email chapter and in Excel chapter. My question is, I am asking the parts or components of the Excel window. Means whenever you are opening Excel, उस Excel में कौन से parts हैं? Whenever you open any application, चाहे वो Word है, चाहे PowerPoint है, चाहे आपका MS Word है, whenever you are opening any of the applications, तो उस केस में हमारे पास 3 components, टाइटल बार. ये कंपोनेंट्स जो मैम लिख रहे हैं, these are common in every application. टाइटल बार, स्टेटस बार, quick access toolbar, ribbon, tabs, ग्रुप्स. These are common. ये जो भी मैम ने अभी लिखे हैं, these components, they are common in every application. चाहे वो आपकी MS Word की है, चाहे आपकी PowerPoint की है, चाहे आपकी Excel की है. ठीक है. टाइटल बार, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, ग्रुप्स, स्टेटस बार, रिबन, टैब, ये एवरी एप्लीकेशन में आते हैं. चाहे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड है, चाहे आपका माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल है या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट है. क्लियर. अब हम एक्सेल विंडो की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इन कंपोनेंट्स के एक्सेप्ट हमारे पास डिफरेंट और भी होते हैं. और वो कौन कौन से हैं? रो हेडिंग्स, कॉलम हेडिंग्स, वर्कशीट, वर्कबुक, formula bar, cell address, cell reference. Clear all of you? All of you clear beta? And one thing more, if they are asking you 5 components, 6 components, 4 components अगर वो पूछ रहे हैं, तो try to answer 1 or 2 extra. अगर 4 पूछे हैं तो 5 या 6 लिखो. Clear हो गया? Everyone clear? Now next question is, I'm giving you the next question, that is, let's get the answer for this question. Now fourth question, name the different buttons that are present on the title bar of Excel window. Title bar of Excel window. Anyone? Yes, Gaurish. Buttons present on the title bar of Excel window.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minimize, maximize, and close.
Right. Minimize, maximize, and close. Now, if here you will write open, save, open, save, undo, redo, that will be wrong. Those buttons, they are present on the quick access toolbar. चाहे क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार आपका टाइटल बार के ऊपर है, बट वी आर आस्किंग दी बटन्स प्रेजेंट ऑन दी टाइटल बार. अंडू रीडू जो है वो आपका क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में है. सो द बटन्स प्रेजेंट ऑन दी टाइटल बार, दे आर मिनिमाइज, मैक्सिमाइज एंड क्लोज. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? Everyone clear? Now, next is you have to define the following terms. I am giving you some of the terms and you will be defining those terms. Now, what do you mean by define? In case of define, हमने क्या करना होता है? We are not to write the whole paragraph or we are not to write the whole stanzas from the internet or from your book. In case of defining a question, अगर आपको define के लिए कोई question आता है, तो at that case, what you have to do is you have to simply give to the point answer. ये नहीं कि हम पूरा stanzas, पूरा उसका paragraph जो book में दिया है हम उसी को as it is note कर दें. Clear? So in case of defining, you just have to mention the definition of that particular question being asked to you. Clear? So the first one, define में, my first option question is you have to define the row. Yes, Sarang, row. What do you mean by a row? Hanji, do you know the answer? Row. What do you mean by row? Hanji Sahib, please. Very good. Row means the horizontal division of a worksheet. When you are dividing a worksheet in the horizontal form, horizontal means left to right. when you are dividing the worksheet in the horizontal form or the horizontal division of a worksheet, that is called as a row. In case of row, we are to write horizontal division. किसकी horizontal division? Horizontal division of your worksheet. Is it clear, beta? Horizontal division of your worksheet. Am I clear? Then next you have is, in case of next, define the following, that is your column. You make mistake over here. आप क्या करते हो उसको कॉलम्स और रो में क्या कर देते हो, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो. जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इफ द रो इज हॉरिजॉन्टली horizontally divided, when you are dividing your worksheet horizontally, in case of columns, Mitarti, but it is vertical. In case of columns, the worksheet is divided in your divided in your vertical form. So column is the vertical division of your worksheet. Column is the vertical division. Vertical means top to bottom. Clear? Horizontal is your left to right and vertical is your top to bottom. In both the cases, we are dividing the worksheet. In both the cases, we are dividing the worksheet. Horizontal division of worksheet is called a row. Vertical division of worksheet is called a column. Clear? कॉलम में आप इस तरह से एरो डाल सकते हैं ताकि आपको पता लग जाए डिवीजन के लिए, और हॉरिजॉन्टल में आप इस तरह से एरो डाल सकते हैं. क्लियर? सो दैट यू कैन नो. क्लियर? ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर बेटा? ऑल राइट. So next option, next defining is of C part, that is your spreadsheet. Anyone? Spreadsheet. Yes. Let me ask the answer from Devang.
The combination of the rows and the columns is known as a spreadsheet.
The combination of a row and a column is called a spreadsheet. No, that can be considered as a cell also. Spreadsheet means where you are storing the data or the information in the form of rows and columns. जहां पे आप अपनी डाटा को, अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर कर रहे हैं in the form of rows and columns. Clear? अगर मैं नॉर्मली बात करूं, अगर मैं अपना जब डाटा मैं डाटा या इंफॉर्मेशन जब मैं डॉक्यूमेंट की फॉर्म में स्टोर करती हूँ तो वो क्या हो जाता है. अगर मैं सपोज करो ये मेरा डाटा अगर मैं अपना नॉर्मली ऐसे टाइप करती हूँ तो वो मेरा किस फॉर्म में स्टोर होगा, डॉक्यूमेंट में, MS वर्ड में. क्लियर? अगर मैं उसको स्लाइड फॉर्म में स्टोर कर रही हूँ तो वो पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट हो जाती है. बट इन केस ऑफ स्प्रेडशीट में क्या होता है, यू आर स्टोरिंग योर डाटा, योर इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर स्टोरिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम. आपके पास जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो भी डाटा है आपके पास, वो आप रोज और कॉलम की फॉर्म में क्या कर रहे हो, स्टोर कर रहे हो. तो स्प्रेडशीट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डाटा and information that is organized in the form of rows and columns. Clear all of you? Clear beta? Spreadsheet is it consists of data and information organized in the form of rows and columns. Clear हो गया beta? Everyone clear? Organized in the form of rows and columns. Now, D part. Next, define the following. That is your worksheet. Next is worksheet. Anyone? Yes, Saravyapak, do you know what is a worksheet? Hanji, Sarang? Worksheet is just like a page in your workbook that consists of rows and columns. मीन्स जैसे आपकी बुक में एक पेज होता है जिसमें आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर होती है, इसी तरह वर्कशीट क्या है? दैट इज अ पेज इन अ वर्कबुक दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ rows and columns. Clear? A worksheet is a page in a workbook that consists of rows and columns. Next you have is workbook. Workbook. Yes, Arman, workbook. Workbook is collection of one or more worksheets. Clear? A collection of one or more worksheets. जब जैसे आपकी बुक जो है उसमें एक से ज्यादा पेजेस होते हैं, इसी तरह वर्कबुक क्या है? इट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वन और मोर वर्कशीट्स. क्लियर? क्लियर हो गया बेटा? नेक्स्ट इज योर सेल. यस हरमीत, सेल वन बाय वन बेटा. सेल.
Yes, ma'am.
सेल हरमीत क्या होता है
Cell,
बेटा?
intersection of row and a column. It is the smallest unit in the worksheet.
सेल इज द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अ रो एंड अ कॉलम. अब कई बच्चे यहाँ पे क्या लिख देते हैं? सेल इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रो एंड कॉलम्स. कॉम्बिनेशन मीन्स यू आर कंबाइनिंग रोज एंड कॉलम्स. Intersection means where cell and where row and the column they are intersecting. जब वो एक दूसरे के साथ intersect कर रहे हैं. Combination means उन दोनों को combine करके. So intersection word is to be required. Cell is the intersection of row and a column. Is it clear all of you?
Actually,
Clear?
ma'am.
हाँ जी हरमीत.
Ma'am, हम ये
तो नेक्स्ट इज योर एक्टिव सेल. मीन्स जिस भी सेल के बाहर आपकी डार्क बाउंड्री है. अर्चिया ने as she has told the cell that is having the dark boundary around it, जिस भी सेल के बाहर एक डार्क बाउंड्री है, that is called as your active cell. Clear all of you? Clear beta? Next question you have is, so here there were some of the terms that you have to define. Now my next question is number 6 question, that is, what do you mean by range of cells? What do you mean by range of cells? Anyone? Yes, Gorish. Gorish, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when you select a block of cells, the area formed by that block of cells is called the range of cell.
Very good. Range of cells means whenever you are selecting a block of cells means एक से ज्यादा सेल. जब आप जैसे ये आपका एक ये आपकी वर्कशीट है, इसमें आपके पास you are having these rows and columns. Now you are selecting. आपने क्या किया? ये जो ब्लू शेडेड एरिया है आपने ये सिलेक्ट किया. Here you have selected this much area. Now the area that is formed by these block of cells, whenever you are selecting a block of cells, the area that is formed by these block of cells, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Range of cells. So the area formed by block of cells, when we highlight it, that is termed as the range of cells. Am I clear? Next you have is, mute yourself, Gorish.
Okay, ma'am.
My next question is Question number 7. What are data types? What are data types? Yes, Arman. It is not the type of data that you enter in the cells. Data type tells you the type of data that you will enter in your Excel worksheet. Clear? So data types क्या करती हैं? They tell you the type of data that you will be entering in your spreadsheet or worksheet. Clear? Clear? It is not the type of data that you will enter. Data types, they tell you the type of the data that you will be entering in the worksheet. So data types, they describe the type of the data that can be entered in the Excel worksheet. Clear? Entered in the Excel worksheet. Now, how many types of data can be entered? So basically, there are three data types. There are three data types that can be entered in the Excel spreadsheet. That is text, जिसमें आपके letters, alphabets आ सकते हैं. The types of data that can be entered in Excel, that is text, numbers, and your formulas. Clear? Numbers, text, and formulas. These are the three types of data type. These are the three types of data that can be entered in the Excel. Text, numbers, and formulas. Basically, the data types in Excel, they are of three categories. There are of three types, that is text, numbers, and formulas. Question can be asked in any form, like name the three data types in Excel. Text, numbers, formulas. Name the types of data that can be entered in Excel. Text, numbers, formulas. Clear? Question can be asked in any form. Clear, online students? Online students, clear, beta? All right. Now, next question you have is, what do you mean? Question number 8. That is, what do you mean by formula and operator? Here you have to define the two terms, that is formula and the operator. Anyone? Okay, let me ask this answer from Jehek.
Yes, ma'am.
Jehek, what do you mean by your formula and operator?
Ma'am, a formula is a mathematical equation involving values, operators, and cell address
Very
for
good.
performing calculations on worksheet.
Yes, and what do you mean by operator?
An operator is a symbol that specifies specific actions.
Formula means it is a mathematical equation where you are involving your, where you can involve different subjects, like you can involve your numbers, your values, and your mathematical operators. Like formula की अगर बात करूँ मैं, A plus B equals to C. So here I am involving the operators A, B, C. I am involving the I'm involving here the operate values A plus B plus C, A, B, C. These are the values, plus equal to, these are the operators, or I can also use the values. Numbers, 14 plus 5 plus equals to 19. These are the numbers. These are your operators. Clear? So, and operators, they specify some specific action. अगर मैंने plus लिखा है, this operator is telling I will be performing the addition. अगर यहाँ पे मेरे पास होता operator, मेरे पास यहाँ पे अगर होता minus, तो ये क्या show कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रही है? Subtraction. Clear all of you? All of you clear, beta? There are different mathematical operators that are used in Excel. That is plus, minus, asterisk, forward slash, clear? Then you have is your percentage, then you have is your caret. Clear? These are the mathematical operators that are used in Excel.